Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can pay in Amazon using Apple Pay. So let's get started. So first, of course, you have to select your items first that you want to buy. And let's say you have already selected your item and you have added it to the cart. And let's say it's here. So let's go proceed to our cart. Once you have added to cart your item, then it should appear here. And now let's say we want to proceed to checkout now because we want to buy it now. Let's go proceed to checkout here. And now in here, as you can see in the payment methods, there are no Apple Pay options. And now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Apple Pay to pay here in Amazon. So what we're going to do is actually very simple. You just have to go here, take a new tab, and then go to Dundle.com. And in here we want to buy Amazon gift cards because as you can see here in Amazon, we have a gift card available here so that you can pay for your items. This is what we're going to use. We're going to buy it here in Dundle, and it's here. Amazon gift card. You just gotta search it. Amazon here in Dundle, and let's go use it now. And here we have a lot of choices ranging from $5 to $100. That's how you are out of stock. So you can just use this, but don't worry, you could just buy a lot of it until you get your desired amount. So let's say we just want to buy 2 pieces of it. So it's amounting to $10 off Amazon gift card. So let's go check out. And now we're here. It's really important here that you get your email right because this is where the code will be sent so that you can use it in entering the code here. So after you have done this, after you have entered your email here, you may now proceed to checkout. And as you can see, you can see the button here. And the payment methods, there is Apple Pay here, and there are 70 plus more that you can use. So let's go check out. And in here, we now have a choice to select Apple Pay as our mode of payment. And we got to see the checkout.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.